When you buy yourself a new electric cooking appliance, choose Currys installation service and our experts will install it at a time that suits you. Our qualified electrical installers will check the area where the cooker will be installed and make sure that it has the suitable electrical connections and that it meets the legal requirements. They'll then disconnect your old appliance, unbox the new one, install it and test it to make sure that it works. As part of our installation process, we'll give you a full demo of how your new cooking appliance works and provide you with a copy of the electric appliance installation certificate. Finally, if you've asked us to recycle your old appliance, we'll take that away and we'll take the packaging away too and recycle that as well. From delivering and installing your brand new electric cooking appliance to recycling your old one, we can take care of everything. To get started, all you need to do is add installation to your basket online or chat to one of our tech experts in store. Just make sure you choose recycling at checkout, either online or in store, if you want us to recycle your old appliance.